Welcome to the Common Name List tutorial. This is Andrew
and Chaz
with the VGS Dev Team. This tutorial will show you how to change common names of the species in the VGS plant database. It should not come as a surprise that species common names in the VGS plants database may be different from a more familiar or regional common name. The Common Name List allows the user to change common names in the VGS plants database to reflect more familiar or regional differences in common name nomenclature. Let's see how it's done.
On the menu toolbar, select Setup, then List, and the List Manager window will open. In the List Manager window, select Common Names from the List Type column. The user can create a new list or import an existing list. However, only one common name list can be used at a time. To import an existing list, select Import, browse to the file, and select Open, then click Save. To create a new list, select New, enter a name and description if desired, and then click Save. To edit a common name list, select the list and the Members tab will become available. Select the Members tab and scroll to the empty row at the bottom.
In the blank row, enter a plant species by clicking on the drop-down arrow under the Species Code column. Select the desired species from the Select Species window. For information on entering species, please see the Species Search tutorial. If the species common name from the default common name column needs to be changed to a more familiar common name, click in the Common Name column. Enter the appropriate common name and click Save. If you'd like to cancel all new edits, click the Cancel button.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.